Abantu bokufika eThekwini bathi imikhankaso ephikisana nabantu abakuleli ngokungemthetho isibhekiswe kubona bonke abantu bangaphandle ngisho abanamaphepha abagunyaza kuba kuleli bathi akuselula ukuthi babuyele ezindaweni abahlala kuzo ngenxa yokusatshiswa.
Initially, as the movement started, it was all about illegal immigrants. Okay, then to us who were legalized with papers, we thought, okay, this thing is going to concern the people that came in here or who don't have papers to be in the country. But then, as days went by, as months went by, we were shocked to see that it is now involving even those that have papers.
Izolo umnyango wezasekhaya KwaZulu-Natal uqala uhlelo lokuqinisekisa imininingwane yabadabuka kwamanye amazwe yokuthi bafanele yini ukuba kuleli noma cha.
Well, we can confirm that we have verified 457 people. That is the number that we verified. And these are the people that were being transported to this center by the municipality after the intervention of the mayor of eThekwini, from that place where they were staying to our place here. So 457 were verified. Only 2 had problems. The one of those 2 was a person who had an outcome that had rejected his application. Then the other one had a fraudulent permit.
Abantu bokufika bathi basazoqhubeka nokuhlala kulesi khungo esibhacisa ababaleki kuze kube uhulumeni ubahlinzeka ngendawo yokukhosela abazozizwa bephephile kuyo.